Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about preposition and its kinds. So firstly, I'll tell you what is a preposition. A preposition is a word which expresses relationship of a noun or a pronoun to other words of the sentence. जो preposition होती है वो किसी भी sentence में noun और pronoun का दूसरे word के साथ में क्या relation होता है वो हमें बताती है. For example, in, of, to, at, by, for, with, under, above, into, onto, upon, about, behind, beside, before, after, towards, inside, outside, below, around are commonly used examples of the prepositions. And there are 6 types of the prepositions. First one is prepositions for time. Second one is prepositions for place, and third one is prepositions for direction, and the next one is prepositions for agent, and the fifth one is the prepositions for instruments, and the last one is prepositional phrases. So firstly we will discuss the preposition for time in detail. At, on, in, these are the prepositions for time, and these are used to refer to time in various aspects. In is used with months or years, like in March in 2005, and with particular time of a day or a month or a year, like in evening, in morning, in third week of the April, and in winter and summer. And third case is a century or a specific time in past or future, like in the 20th century, in early days, in the stone age, in future, in past. And on is used with day, like on Sunday, on Monday, and with dates, on 7th of February or on February 7, and with particular days, like on my birthday, on Independence Day. And then at is used with the time of clock, when you have to tell time, when you make some plans, and at 3 o'clock, at 4:20 p.m. and short and precise times. For example, at night, at sunset, at noon, at lunchtime, at the moment, at bedtime. Now, here are some examples. She was born in 1986. Here, with the year we have used in. His father died in 2005 in a car accident. I was very happy on the first day of my job. We went to see glaciers in the summer. The party will start at 8 p.m. They will come here on 15th February. Everyone takes breakfast in the morning. Now, second type is, here is, these second type is prepositions for place. On, at, in, and these prepositions are used for several of type of the places. In is mostly used for a place having some sort, like physically or virtual boundary. On is used for a surface, and at is usually used for a specific place. So in is used in a hall, in a school, in the building, in the box, in the car, in a library, in a garden, in England, in a room, in a cupboard. And then on is used with the surface of the things. On the table means it is touching the surface of the things. On the table, on the blackboard, on the page, on a wall, on a roof, on the map. And at is used in the cases at bus stop, at the entrance, at front of the chair, at the bottom of the glass, at the edge of the roof. Means it is used for the specific places. Here are some examples. They live in England. They placed their book on a table. I met him at the bus stop. She waited for her kids at the gate of her home. There is a cat under the table. They were running on the road. Then third type is prepositions for direction. And here we take the example. These prepositions express the direction of something into, to, through, towards. They are going to classroom means it is telling where they are going. It tells us about the direction. And the snakes are coming towards her. The snake was coming towards her. मीन्स वो स्नेक कहाँ पे आ रहा है. मीन्स वो इट इज़ टेलिंग द डायरेक्शन वेयर द स्नेक वॉज कमिंग. ही थ्रू अ बॉल इनटू द रिवर. तो इनटू द रिवर मीन्स उसने रिवर में बॉल फेंकी है, तो उसको डायरेक्शन बता रही है. तो यहाँ पे हम वो वाली प्रपोजिशंस लेते हैं जो किसी चीज़ की डायरेक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं तब. देन फोर्थ वन इज़ preposition of agent. Examples are by or with. These prepositions are used to express a casual relationship between the noun, doer or an action. तो हम किसी काम को कैसे करते हैं, किस चीज़ से करते हैं, मतलब वो उसको मतलब डूअर को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कि किसी काम किसने किया है. Here a nice book was written by John Keats. तो यहाँ पे एजेंट कौन है, मीन जो उसका डूअर है. तो जॉन कीट्स, ये जो नाइस बुक है इसको किसने लिखा है, जॉन कीट्स ने. जॉन कीट्स was very famous poet. And then a lot of noise was made by the kids. मीन्स शोर किसने किया, बच्चों ने. तो यहाँ पे जो वो उसके डूअर्स हैं. तो इट इज़ शोइंग बाय द प्रपोजिशन बाय. The task was finished by him. Some schools have been made by government. तो यहाँ पे जो हम preposition लेते हैं, जो prepositions for agent वो mainly by और with होती हैं. Then preposition for instrument, devices or the machines. Such prepositions are used for joining nouns like instruments, devices, machines to other words in the sentence. एग्जाम्पल ऑन, बाय, विद द हेल्प ऑफ. मीन्स वो काम कोई हमने किसके थ्रू किया, हमने कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ किया, हमने कौन सी डिवाइस यूज़ करी है, हमने कौन सी मशीन यूज़ करी है. तो ये सब इसमें ये वाली प्रपोजिशंस आती हैं. ही वेंट टू होम बाय अ कार, कि वो घर कैसे गई, कार से. दिस लॉक कैन नॉट बी ओपन विद द की. ये जो लॉक है ये की से नहीं खुलेगा. शी वाटर्ड द प्लांट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वाटर पाइप. मतलब उसने वाटर कैसे दिया, विद द हेल्प, उसने प्लांट्स को कैसे दिया, वाटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वाटर पाइप. तो यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या है, वाटर पाइप. तो हमने से पहले लगाई हमने विद द हेल्प ऑफ. देन ही ब्रोक द वॉल विद द हैमर. तो उसने जो वॉल कैसे तोड़ी, हैमर मीन्स हथौड़े से. तो इस टाइप से हमने देखा कि इस वाली जो प्रपोजिशन में हम इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हमने क्या यूज़ किया, हमने कौन सी डिवाइस यूज़ की और हमने कौन सी मशीन्स यूज़ करी किसी भी काम को करने के लिए. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द प्रपोजिशंस. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.